Good day all. Well, there you have it. We are finally done. We have finally finished the incubator. As you can see, it is working. We have managed to program it. Right now, it is heating up, and at the same time, we're getting the humidity also rising inside. So the temperature and the humidity that we want and the temperatures that we want, it is cutting off as when it reaches those set figures that we have set for we've programmed. Well, right now we're doing everything without putting anything inside to run it for at least a full day so that we're happy with everything, and then we will then be adding eggs. And once we've added eggs, we will then be looking at how it goes from there. But we are happy. We finished this yesterday. We have also put in a manual. As you can see, this metal thing is for us so that we do not have to be opening and closing it. We just do it manually from outside. We'll be able to turn the eggs without having to go inside and opening it all the time, also reducing the heat and all that. So as you can see, that blue thing, that is the humidifier, which will be creating humidity. But I think this is not working that well due to the fact that the surface area that it is trying to cover is quite big and it is very small. So I've actually added another tin of water inside to increase the humidity as we go along. So this is an AC one that we have made, and I said that we were going to make one. We have completed, so this is the complete version of it. Well, we'll now be taking the 21 to 23 days of the eggs starting tomorrow, once I'm happy that we have got everything that we want where it needs to be and how it should be. Well, thank you, and keep on following as we keep on with this journey. So as I said, that we also add our thermostat, and our temperature reader is an STC 3028, and it is doing what it is supposed to do, and I'm happy with it. Well, keep on following, and I will keep you updated as we keep on going. Thank you. So here we are, day one. We have just put these eggs less than 30 minutes ago. We were just making sure that all the eggs are inside. So we just put in one crate of 30. These are not my heritage eggs. I actually went and I got these eggs from somewhere else so that I would not feel disappointed if anything goes wrong with them. But right now we have done quite a lot. As I said that we were doing this, we're fixing this, and we did it by ourselves. The temperature is rising properly without any problems. The temperature is getting to 37.7 degrees. When it gets to 37.9, it will cut out and then it will get back. So it's between 37.7 to 37.9. That is where it is fluctuating with. And then the humidity is fluctuating anything between 50 to 55. That is when it is fluctuating. Why it is fluctuating right now is because I opened it so that I could actually let in some air so that it would switch on, and you could see it actually showing that it is working. So we are sure that everything is working. We have put in our first batch of eggs today. I've got somewhere else where I'm going to get probably another 3 more crates. So this crate is the first one. We're going to get another crate from somewhere else. So we're going to first try off with 3. If I'm happy with the first 3, then we're going to there. As you see, it's now cut off. So the temperature is now at 55 degrees. It is also cut off. So this is where it's fluctuating in that range. So we're going to now get another 3 more trays. I'm told the other one is probably coming in on Friday, and then I think 2 will be arriving on Friday, and then the other one on Monday. So to make them 4. Altogether, I'm just going to get 8 crates from somewhere else, whereby I do not feel the heat if anything happens. And if I'm happy and all 8 of them hatch, then we're good to go, and then we start doing our own thing. So now what is now left for us to do is that we're going to build our own hatchery. Why I want to build our own hatchery is because I do not want because the hatchery has also got a different voltage, as in you need to also come again and put a different keep on pressing these numbers to get to the hatching humidity that we want. So I'm just going to believe that I should just have my own, this one for the eggs and then one for the hatchery, and then we will run like that. But as I said, that I think this is something that I've actually done that is better. As I said, I've also modified it to making it a bit easier. I've done workmanship. I believe that my workmanship is way much better than the workmanship that I got from that other one, which was just ridiculously poorly done. This one, I've done the workmanship myself. I am happy with where we are and what we have managed to do. So this is one. Then I will show you the hatchery once we have done the hatchery. So this at least gives me the next 21 days as I go. I can't say 21 days. I've got 18 days before these eggs need to be moved into the hatchery. So within the next 18 days, we should have fixed the hatchery. I think starting tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, we'll start working on this. Well, this has been the journey for this. I think I've done something that is a bit different, which looks much better than what I would have normally purchased, and I'm happy with it. Well, to all those people who like, please like, subscribe, and those who want, please hit me down, and I can make you a plan and I can do for you one like this, which is actually much better. And as I say, you also learn, and by also here, I've also seen things that I could improve on the next one that I'm doing. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Until next time, have a good day.